Welcome back. So this is 20 inches wide or 10 inches on fold. By the length of the sleeve you are working with minus the band plus 1. So this side I measure 2.5 to 3 inches for the opening. Then I sew from there down the sleeve. So to the 3 inches opening, you can use 2.5 3 inches. So you fold twice or you can overlock and fold once. Just watch, then you sew. So you turn, then you sew it again. Ensure that the needle is inside while lifting the foot. You can see. So after so you should have something like this. You can see. So when doing yours, ensure that you use machine thread. So make gathers here. Just run the gathers. So after running the gathers, then you pull. You can use gather foots to make this. Alright, so this will be my round sleeve. This is 16 inches wide by 4 inches, and I added a stay on it, so I'll be taking it like this. So I'll just sew quarter of an inch, just run a stitch on it. You can see. So I'll measure 1.5 inches, then I stitch again, just sew 1/4 of an inch. You can see I have 1.5 inches from here to here, so you can see. Alright, it's not constant. The 1.5 inches is not constant. You can decide to use one or more than one. You can use 1.5, 2 inches, depending on what you want. You can see. So I'll continue to do this till I get to the last 1.5 inches. You can see. And you can see the excess of that stay. So we do not put the stay to be as neat as this. So ensure that you add stay to it. You can see. So you can decide to use it like this, then use just cut another one for the lining, then use this one. You can see. And for this I'm not doing that. I want to use this. I want to fold it. I use part of it for the lining. So I'm take it to the cutting table and iron. So I've done that. I've ironed it. You can see. Then I'll fold this side by 1/4 of an inch. Then I stitch. Alright. So after that, I'll now sew the side. You can see that I left 1/4 of an inch on the one I want to use as lining. can see. So do the same to the other side as same. So this is just a tutorial. So when do you use machine thread? You can see the band is coming out. So this is the one, the sleeve that we did before that we make gathers. So I will place this inside. You can see the band will be at the wrong side of the sleeve. Then I will now use the other part of the band to turn it. So I'm sewing only one part of the band, so the other part I will use it to cover the seam after sewing. Just take it gently and be careful while sewing it. So you cut out the rough edges, the seam, so that it will not be bulky. You can see, just put the seam inside, then use the other side of the band to cover it, then you run a stitch on it. So this type of sleeve we can put it in khimars or gowns, and it is ablution friendly also. So after one stitch, you can see the outcome. You can see how beautiful it is, both the inside and the outside. You can see it's very lovely. Just put your press button and you're good to go. You can see. Alright, see you in my next tutorial. Masalam.